Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Esika Rai. I'm going to straighten my hair today. Even though my hair is natural straight, I don't like how it is like straight poking out. So I'm going to make it a bump underneath. Let's start, okay? I have already shampooed my hair today and already blow dried. I use this Voila Professional shampoo for color hair. Since my hair is color, so I don't want it to fade away so faster. That is why I'm using Voila shampoo and conditioner for colored hair. After that, I use detangle this L'Oreal Professional 10-in-1 detangling spray. I'm going to put the description of all the products what I have used down below. This is the new product for me. I have tried this first time. I have used Healing Volume from Lanza. It is zero weight gel. This is the first time I have used this. I got this free sample pack. It is especially for fine hair. It gives nice body, and I feel like my hair is like more thickness also. After using, I use this in towel dry hair, very little. I don't have to use too much, and it makes my hair really gives the texture and feel like a little body volume. And I blow dried my hair after that. Since this both product is going to protect my hair from heat, so I'm not going to use any other heat protectors. Today I'm going to use my this favorite flat iron. It is 1-inch nano titanium by Babyliss Pro. I love this flat iron. Very easy to use and makes hair really straight. Even the texture here gives you nice smooth finishing. So I'm going to use this today. First of all, I'm going to part my hair. I like to part my hair in the side. I'm going to make this little shorter than this side. I'm going to use this Cricut carbon rattle comb. I'm going to part my hair in a V section. Use this clip to clip my hair. I have put the heat setting in the 350 for my hair. Since it is fine here, I don't need too much heat. I know, I know my flat iron is too old. I use this all the time, so it is all discolored, but it is very good. It is very good to have. I part the subsection in V shape and flat iron first at the root area. Since my natural hair is already straight, I don't have to flat iron too many times. The heat setting in the iron, it depends on the what type of hair you have. If you have textured hair, you have to use a little more higher heat. I keep doing the same technique until I reach the top section. This here in the top, I will flat iron over directing towards the opposite side. So when I let it go this side, it will be like more volume, like more body. At the roots, I try to over direct towards this another side, and after that I put the flat iron again, and we will like this way and use the comb, follow the comb, wiggle towards the bump it under the end. I will do same again towards over direct towards another side. After that I switch my hand to hold this comfortably. After that comb my hair and after using flat iron, I'll let it set my hair. I don't use my comb. I'll let it cool down first. I take the straight soft section at the back side because hair fall straight at the back. And I do the same thing in the other side, V subsection and flat iron till the top section. This is the final look. How do you think about this hairstyle? Let me show you back, okay? I really love this bump underneath in my buff haircut. How do you think about this? Some tips about this hairstyle? Comment below. I hope some of these tips help you to get your really straight and bump under. I have also made the wavy hairstyle with the full volume in the last video. You can also check that out and let me know in the comment box if you loved that video or this video. I have put the link of all the products and tools I have used in this video. If you are interested, please check out the link below. Thank you so much once again, and I need your help by liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Hope to see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.